welcome to 1/4 Batcave. Birthday today, the owner, the matriarch of the family, 1/4. Happy birthday, Ma'am Norma, 1/4. I'm here to celebrate her birthday. Happy birthday in heaven. She's gone last November 2022, and her birthday is today, March 19. And they celebrate the staff, the Batcave 1/4 company here in Sun Island. And here's a cake. Happy birthday, Ma'am Norma. And food is ay, mag-pray na ta. Happy birthday. Si Divine. Asan may flowers of uy, ikiba na. Oh, like watermelon, soft drinks, and little mga Batcave stuff. Visitors. Sino? Arrange na. Batcave. Who's this? Nice one. Batcave souvenir. I corn coffee, golden harvest. Corn coffee harvest. Tabliyat tradition. Batcave. I have one of the souvenirs here. Batcave souvenir. Happy birthday, Ma'am Norma. I'm 1/4 Batcave. Wala siya yung mga corn harvest coffee. Nice, no? Nag-flower pa, naggawa pa si, I like the star, Samal Island. Souvenir stars. I'm 1/4 Batcave, Samal Island. Souvenirs.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Ang foods,
Balik na ta sige litron. Di ba manggod ba? Ano nag-abot mga una?
prayer daw ta. Ma-pray.
Prayer pa mo. Prayer sa. Prayer pa mo.
Batcave.
Sige na, han. Kuhanin na.
Sige, unsa man. Pray na, sige na. Ikaw na lang. Si Ma'am Alalin. Sige na, pray na ta.
Sige.
Sige, para.
Dili na ta masig cellphone, guys.
Sige.